Chin up, shoulder width grip, partial reps. If you're a gymnastics skill seeker working towards your first chin up, you should explore partial reps. The partial rep chin up allows us to gradually increase the concentric range of motion while building strength in the full eccentric range of motion. We're 120% stronger in the eccentric phase of an exercise. Training the full range of motion in the eccentric phase is essential as this helps us build strength required for the concentric phase. Here's how the partial rep chin up works. You'll need an elevated surface to stand on. From here, grip the chin up bar with a supinated shoulder width grip, palms facing up. Choose a level of elbow flexion from which you can perform a concentric chin up. The lower you go, the harder the concentric phase will be. Step off the elevated surface with one foot. Bend the knee of the leg on the elevated surface to lower yourself to your chosen level of elbow flexion. This is the crucial part. You must pull your shoulder blades back and down to keep them away from your ears. Do not allow the shoulders to shrug up during the chin up. Focus on contracting your lats to keep the shoulder blades depressed. If you're not strong enough to keep the shoulders pulled down, you should focus on training movements like scapular pull-ups before training the partial rep chin-ups. Failing to keep the shoulders depressed in the chin-up can lead to shoulder pain and injury. From here, actively pull down on the bar to contract the bicep muscles before taking the foot off the elevated surface and setting a tight hollow body shape. Once the feet are together and you've set a tight hollow body shape, perform the concentric chin up to lift your chin above the bar. Then, slowly extend the elbows as you control the eccentric phase down to an active hang. Keep the shoulders depressed until the arms are straight. Then, relax the shoulders and allow them to elevate as you move into a passive hang before letting go of the bar. Climb back on the elevated surface to start your next rep. The goal is to perform a partial concentric and then a full eccentric chin up for each rep. As strength improves, you can start the concentric phase from a lower height and slowly build to a full range of motion strict chin up. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.